Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 7th of January 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, India's largest power group NTPC is ready to start building a $21 billion green energy complex at Pudimadaka in the state of Andhra Pradesh that will include 20 gigawatts of renewable generation capacity, said the Indian government. The project aims to produce 1,500 tons per day of green hydrogen and 7,500 tons daily of derivatives such as methanol, urea, and sustainable aviation fuel, mainly aimed at export markets, said an Indian government statement. Staying in India, Suzlon and Andhra Pradesh join forces for India's largest green skill program designed to be a tribute to Shri Tulsi Tanti. Over the next 4 years, the program will offer training to 12,000 youth, including at least 3,000 women, in specialized areas of wind power manufacturing. Suzlon will create a structured curriculum for ITI diploma and degree engineering colleges and forge university partnerships to integrate globally recognized content and advanced research in the wind energy industry. Permission has been granted for a major development at Greenore Port in Ireland, which would create over 200 jobs for the operation and maintenance of wind turbines off the East Coast. Under the proposal, the Doyle Shipping Group will invest €25 million in a state-of-the-art operations and maintenance base on lands owned by the port to support offshore wind on the East Coast. Plenitude, the renewable subsidiary of Italy's Eni, has expanded its installed capacity from renewable sources in Spain by 400 megawatts, reaching nearly 950 megawatts of photovoltaic and wind projects. This is more than double the figure which the company reported in 2023. The company also has around 820 megawatts of additional plants in Spain that are already under construction with expected completion by 2026. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.